Hey everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. Got another unboxing for you guys, and this time it is by the Detox Market, and here it is right here. It's for the month of June. It's a big box than what the other months that I've been getting. And it's a little heavy, so can't wait to see what's in this month. This subscription box, I just recently subscribed to it. I think I'm on my 5th month right now, and I already did a video on one of them, and I'll link that one down below. But let me look here on my phone to let you know about the prices, because this one is a little bit on the pricier side, because the brands that they carry, it's mostly, or actually they're all clean and green beauty products, which are really nice. And I'm trying to get more into clean and green beauty products. There are still some out there that I kind of like, and I don't think I can give up yet. But for now, I'm really enjoying getting this box because of new brands that I haven't even heard of before that are clean and green, and just kind of see what other products are out there. Now this box focuses on one brand only, so you'll get products in here just from one brand. A lot of subscription boxes I'll get, it's multiple brands, multiple products in here, hair care, skin care, a little bit of everything. But this one is all one brand, and you get products in here that are at least $90. So you're getting a good amount of products in here, a good amount of value for this box. But for the monthly subscription, if you get it a 1 month, it is $55, and they bill it monthly, which I don't know why it's done that way. You should be able to just do it one time a month, but they will bill you monthly for $55 a month. You get my glasses on, and you can get a 3-month subscription, and that one costs $44.95. So you're getting $10 off if you get the 3-month subscription, and then you get $5 more off if you get the 6-month subscription for $39.95, and that's what I got. I think that's a better deal, because instead of paying $55 per month, you're getting 6 months for $39.95 a month, and they bill you for the total months that you're in. So for the 6 month, I'm being billed $239.76 with the tax and the shipping included for 6 months. So they don't bill you monthly, which that can be kind of a little too much, but just need to make sure of that you know this. And for the 3 month, that one costs $134.85. Tax and shipping is included. But anywho, let's go ahead and see what's in this month. It's a big box, so I'm assuming we're getting more than 2 products this month. But let's go ahead and see what brand is in this box. All right, got it open. Oh, looks like it leaked something. Oh. Okay, smells good though. Oh, okay, something leaked. Wow, that's not a good sign. Maybe it's not too bad, but let's go ahead and see what's in here. I'm sure there's not a big mess. But anywho, let me go ahead and show you the cards that are in here. Meet the maker. This brand is called Captain Blankenship. Have y'all heard of that brand before? So this card lets you know who the person is behind this brand, Captain Blankenship. Her name is Jana Blankenship, which she does an effortless, non-toxic, plant-based products with lush, beachy vibes. These everyday staples are healthy for both you and the planet. Okay, that's really good. And then here is the other card that comes with it and tells you the featured products. And it looked like there are 5 products in this month, and it seems to be all hair products. Okay, we got 5 hair products in here by Captain Blankenship. Let's see what this one that leaked. Yeah, it is kind of messy here. They probably need to cover it up a little bit more if they're sending products like this, which is a sea mineral liquid soap with lemongrass and mint. That's what I'm smelling. It does smell good though. Oh. So this is just liquid soap. Is this for the hand or body? Let me see what it says in the card here. Okay, you get 10 ounces of product, and it's $24. Like an ocean swim, this gentle soap cleanses your body while enveloping with a conditioning marine minerals like Irish moss, kelp, spirulina, and bladderwrack. Wow, okay, never heard of those ingredients. That's kind of fun to say. But this is body scrub. Okay, so it's not just hair products. So just a body product right here. The rest are hair products. But that's a shame that it leaked. Ugh. I don't think a lot of product came out, just enough to make a mess right here. But pretty much everything else looks dry. It's just right here is just the leak. That's not good though. All right, next, it looks like a powder. Yeah, it's dry shampoo. It's Mermaid Dry Shampoo, and you get 4 ounces of product, and it costs $24. I like that it gives you the prices of each product here. It says save time and water with this potent dry shampoo infused with palmarosa and geranium oils for a refreshing summer scent. Now, I myself do not use dry shampoo. My daughter does, so I will be asking if she wants to keep this, if she wants to take this, because she uses dry shampoo. I don't like that feeling. All right, next you have Golden Wave Sea Salt Shimmer Spray. Also, this one's 4 ounces of product and it's $28. Channel your inner mermaid infused with gold mica. This shimmering salt spray instantly adds a stunning, subtle, and incandescent to your locks. Okay, I don't know if I want my hair to be glittery, but let's see what it looks like. Oh, okay. This may be better for blonde hair. I don't know. I don't know about that one. It does come in a glass container, which is great for the environment. All right, next we have Mermaid Sea Salt Hairspray. This one's 2 ounces of product and it costs $14. A heat-free hair essential Atlantic sea salt, juicy aloe vera, and nutrient-rich sea kelp deliver beachy waves and serious nourishment. And the last product here, you have hair oil. This one you have 1 ounce and it's $34. Sea and sun can take a toll on your mane. This replenishing blend of jojoba, kokui, argan, and fir needle oils protect, soften, and hydrate for all day shine. All right, this is an okay box for me. I mean, I am a little particular with products for my hair and not happy about this being having a leak. I probably will email them and let them know about it, and I'll put down the description box what do they do about it. And the dry shampoo, not a big fan of it, and this one, I don't know if I like glitter in my hair, and it looks like it's more for blonde hair people. I don't know. But the 2 products that I will like to try is the hairspray and the hair oil. All right, so this box is worth $124. 5 products for $124. Not bad. It is a clean and green brand, Captain Blankenship, which I've never heard of before, so it'd be nice to try. But yeah, sometimes with these subscription boxes, there will be products in here that you may not like. That is the gamble that we take, but so far I do like getting this box. Yes, I think that's the proper English for it. Well, maybe not the proper English, but that's better English than what I was saying. All right, just going to give you a little update. I did email Detox Market about the soap being damaged, and they emailed me back probably, I think, like 2 hours later. Let me let you know what it says. Thank you so much for reaching out to us. We are so sorry your product was damaged on its way to you. We will reship this for you immediately and will follow up with tracking information as soon as it is available. Again, we sincerely apologize for the issues with your order. Please let us know if you have any other questions or if we can help you in any other way. We hope you're having a great day so far. So that being said, that is really great customer service for them to reply to me so quickly like that, and that they will reship this to me with a tracking number. So I just wanted to let you know that. Now, I don't know when I'll have this video up, but if I do get it before I start editing this video, then I'll include that in here. If not, I'll probably just make a little notation in the description box or have a pinned comment down below. But yeah, I will let you know when and how it came. But yeah, I think that's wonderful customer service for them to do that. One video I had Zazzles over here, and now I have Luke over here. But anywho, with the Detox Market unboxing, I emailed them about the soap that came leaked. Here it is right here, and they emailed me back. And within 3 days, that was on Tuesday and on Friday, I received this box right here, and it was nicely packed in this cute little bag. There it is right there. And they sent me a new one wrapped in plastic, which they probably should have done the first time, but I'm not complaining because they have great customer service. They sent me a new one right away, all nicely packed and clean. So I just want to let you know that about the customer service from Detox Market. It was pretty impressive. But anywho, I'll go ahead and end the video right here because it's Father's Day and we're going to go and celebrate their dad. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And maybe see Luke in there more. Alright you guys, y'all have a wonderful day and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.